boy, have I been looking forward to this for a very long time. Let's crack it open. Are you seeing this? Oh my God. Genuinely can't believe this is here. Like, I own this. Genuinely. I can't believe it. I love Apple stores, and every time I go there and see this thing, I'm just like, I want it one day. Like, I've been telling my wife, like, ever since I actually got it, it's like, I've been wanting this for such a long time. And the fact that it's finally here, and I own this, and it's my monitor from now on, it's crazy. Seriously, it's mind-blowing. Oh my God, look at that unboxing experience. Oh my God, it's heavy. You don't expect it to be that heavy. Right, so this is the brand new Apple Studio display. I've been looking forward to this monitor for such a long time, and the fact that it's finally here is amazing. So this is the base model, it's not the XDR, and I got the regular tilt stand and not the height adjustable one. Right, let's crack it open, innit? I don't know what to expect, so let's face this camera and crack it open. That's the longest peel on an Apple product I've ever done. Look at that. I hope it doesn't fall out, because from what I understand, the monitor is like placed in there a bit weirdly. Yeah, so lift this, and there you go. Oh my God, it's upside down. Why is it upside down? There's the arrows over there, so I'm thinking it's split like that, and then lift the monitor out. Oh, lift this out. Oh my God, there's so many boxes. This is just a random piece of cardboard in there, like, just to hold this thing together. This is this is ridiculous. That's so wasteful. And then we just lift this out, and that's it. What else do we get in here? So this is the regular one, so we don't get any polishing cloth or anything. So I can see some cables in here. I think it's the Thunderbolt 5 cable. Yeah, there we go. And then you get your Thunderbolt 5 cable. We're gonna need this because I don't have any Thunderbolt 5 cables laying around, so we're gonna need this to plug it into the Mac Studio. We don't get a polishing cloth because this is the standard regular glossy display. Right, so next we try to get this out. I think this is the power solution. We have to rip it. I think I'm gonna have to rip it. There we go. This is over-engineering, like, really, seriously. Now we peel this off. We'll take his jacket off. Oh my God, there's more. That is so satisfying. There we have it, the Apple Studio display. Now let's take it over there and replace my monitor with that.